high school life came to an end. Life's constantly changing, you know. Parang kahapon lang, nag-aaral pa ako sa high school. Ngayon, unti-unti na nagbabago ang buhay ko. College life, here I come. Or, so I thought. Hi there! Welcome to my channel. I am Venus, an incoming first-year college student. Honestly, the transition's been kinda rough. I'm talking anxiety, self-doubt, and nervousness. Kaya ko kaya makipag-socialize? Papasa kaya ako? Kakayanin ko kaya? Little did I know, this journey would lead me to a new path. A path of self-discovery, creativity, and sharing my journey with the world. A new era begins. Siguro, kailangan ko ng outlet. O baka dahil gusto ko maging connected sa mga taong tulad ko. Either way, here I am, starting this vlogging thing. Sa channel na ito, I will share my experiences, mga bagay na passionate ako, mga thoughts, ideas, events, and mga ganap ko sa buhay. I will do my best to make this more genuine and I hope you like it. So, if you're feeling anxious about your own journey, or if you're just looking for someone to vibe with, stick around. Let's navigate this thing called life together.